friends, welcome to my channel. So this is my first video. I believe you will support me. If you like the video, please subscribe and please excuse if there is any noise. I am pretty sure there would be some noise disturbance because I'm sitting in the balcony now. So as the caption say, let's start with the simple eye makeup. I can't say it's like a big makeup because it's not like a party wear. Definitely even you can wear for party also, but this is more like a daily wear. I mean that elegant Indian eye makeup. Okay, so let's go on. Firstly, let me introduce. I am gonna use here the Nykaa Kajal dark deep black 001. So it's very good kajal, and the problem is that if you are a daily user, like daily you wear the kajals, and this one will stay longer but it get empty like anything. So maximum like it will be so big enough, so I think this big, so but gets over very quick. So I don't recommend if you are like a middle class like me. This was my first try, so I quite loved it. I want to buy it, but I will make sure it is not like sharpening. You see, it's very kind of thick. I hope you can see it because it's the normal mobile camera. I don't have any high definition camera or anything. So let's begin with the video. And for the card eyeliner, I will be using this one. I forgot it's Maybelline or Lakme or whatever, but this is from like 1 year now, and I am sorry, I don't know the company name. I will let you know soon in the further videos because I have to purchase another one. So let's move forward. Okay, so let's get started. You know, I'm not sure if any YouTuber have said this thing, but before starting the makeup, it would be good if you apply the ice cube. I'm pretty sure many must have said those things, but another point is that make sure you see the waterline, there will be like that oily consistency. So when you apply that kajal, make sure it's dry. First keep your kajal open. It can be any brand, okay, but if it's deep black, you would look like an actress. Yeah, I wiped with a cloth and now I'm applying it. Yes. Now this side. Or let me finish the one side, you will know the difference, right? So I'll finish up with the first one side. Okay, next point is that make your upper waterline, drag it upward. And you see this part, you can't cover it, so what you have to do is just drag it this way and yes, that's it. And if anything left over, just wipe it down. And make sure it's very fast. You wipe it very fast because kajals like this, get dried up very quickly. And next part is that just drag it this way and apply it. Yeah, so now you can see the difference. Look at this side and this side, so much different, right? You don't have to wear a lot of makeup if you can draw your eyes and lips well. Okay, so okay, it's done. I'm not used to this applying seeing the mobile camera. So next part is that this is not over, but before completing the downside we need to do the upper eyelid. So yeah, I think it's better to use another mirror so that you can see it well. Okay, you see the difference? And a small wink, and that's it. Now once again, when you draw in the edges, right, make sure the thing is very sharp. That's why I usually prefer that Lakme pencil and all, which you get for 180 rupees. So and if there is any spread, yeah, it is done. Look at it. So we'll go on, go to this one. It's okay if it gets spread out here, easily wipeable. Yes, see. Okay, now let's move on to the eyeliner part. Yes, it's done. So the eye makeup is almost done. We'll end it with a mascara. So yeah, you can use any brand, okay? We are done with mascara, and you see I even showed the mistake, because this happens to everyone but most of them don't show it. Just wipe the excess. Yes. So this is the final look, but to look good, the final thing is that you have to apply the eyebrows. For this I'm using the Wet n Wild. I use only this dark shade. This costs only like 400 rupees, and you can use till this expiry date gets over. Yeah, I'm sweating, and that's the reason I'm sweating. And that was mascara. So just give it a touch, that's it. And I don't have good eyebrows, that's why. This will go. You spread with your fingers. Look at the difference. We're all done with it. I hope you know why I wore the mask, because in this time you have to go like this only. It's for your safety, and yes, it's beautiful even with the mask. Okay friends, so I hope you love this look. So even with the mask you look really beautiful. So always make sure, ladies, everybody, make sure you wear the mask when you go out. The mascara is not dried. I'm not under the fan, that's why it gets spreading up. And one more thing is that make sure you tie your hair like in a bun. This is just for the, see, at home you can do this, but when you go out, make sure you wear your hair with a bun. So, like see, when you go out there will be so many people, and you still look very beautiful with a bun. Okay, that's what kind of funny, right? Okay, so I hope you love this video, and I'm sure there will be so many things to get corrected, not with the eye makeup but with the sound or the video editing part, because I'm not so aware about that. I'm very good at all this makeup thing, but I'm not so good at the video editing part. So, but still, I hope whoever watched this video will love it. Thank you so much for watching it.